Hi all, in this video I will explain the licensing and copyright from unit number 4 Societal Impact class 12 IP book. Here I will explain what is licensing and copyright. Copyright is a legal term used to declare and prove who owns the intellectual property. We already discussed the topic intellectual property in previous video. So copyright is the exclusive right given to the creator of an artistic, literary or musical work to copy, publish, distribute, perform or display in the publicly, record or make derivation works of that work, or to given permission to other to do the same. Means with the help of copyright, the owner can give the permission to other. The meaning of copyright is the author's right or owner right. The work covered by copyright range from books, music, painting, films to computer programs, computer software, databases, advertisement, maps, etc. etc. The copyright does not continue indefinitely. The law provides for a period of time during which the right of the copyright owner or creator exists. Copyright law only protect the particular form or manner in which ideas or information have been manifested and is not designed or intended to protect the actual concept, fact, styles or techniques which may be embedded in or represented by the ideas or information. Then, for copyright, it grants the creator very specific legal right and remedies. Most forms of copyright have a defined duration. In an open source project, every contributor retains the copyright in their own contribution. Means who are the owner, he retains the copyright. It adheres it from the moment of creation. Whenever any creator create any material or any product, and it will retain to what copyright law states. Most of the copyright laws say that the author or the rights owner has a right to authorize or prevent certain act in relation to a work. The writer's owner of the work can prohibit or authorize. It may be any distribution of copies, its public performance, broadcasting other communication to public, translate into other language, or maybe the adaptation. Means suppose a novel, we are going to make it as a screenplay. All state in the copyright law. The next is the licensing. One of the more controversial area of computer ethics concern the intellectual property rights connected with software ownership. The software copyright, the relatively recent extension of copyright laws to software, allow a market for proprietary software to flourish for some time. Some free software use software copyright in order to ensure that the software they write will remain free, using the license such as General Public License (GNU). If we talk about the license in simple term, licensing is the legal term used to describe the term under which people allow to use the copyrighted material. Means copyright and licensing are both interrelated. The difference is the licensing is an agreement in which person or company gives another person or company permission to do something. If you wanted to make a copies of someone else's copyrighted work, example, you would have to obtain a license from them to do so. Licensing allows a copyright owner to retain the right while giving someone else the right to exercise some of them. Let's say a photograph, we own the copyright, which is our exclusive right. As the author to own that work, we control who else can use our work and in what manner they can use. For example, I could allow someone to print my photograph or adopt it in a piece of, means they can use my photograph, rather than I can place a verbal agreement. I can distribute my work with a license that set the guideline for use. Licensing are guaranteed by an authority to allow the uses in my work. I may decide to offer my photograph for free or charge a price. Either way, I can include a license to a limit use and I maintain the copyright. Just because of someone paid does not mean that they have full control or right to what they are buying. License can dictate the number or uses that bounds of use and even the length of the time until the license is expired. Means license will give the right within a limited period of time and it will describe how the user can use my product. And this is all about copyright and licensing. Hope you understand the concept of licensing and copyright. If you like the video, share it and subscribe my channel.